forget about us, put the blame on me if I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Bus driver, please look for me, 'cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see. I'm really still in prison, and my love, she holds the key. A simple yellow ribbon is what I need to set me free. I wrote and told her, please, oh, tie a yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's been sweet, long years, do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon around the old tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me if I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Now the whole damn bus is cheering, and I can't believe I see 100 yellow ribbons around the old tree. I'm coming home. I'm coming home, I've done my time. Now I've got to know what is and isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you'll know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me.